Welcome to ETF Wrap, your weekly digest of the top stories on European ETFs. We start the year with news of another popular US ETF issuer entering the European market. Elsewhere, inefficiencies in T+1 creations create profitable opportunities for issuers. And finally, the arrival of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US. What has it meant for ETPs in Europe? First, ETF Stream revealed Pacer ETFs will enter Europe as soon as next month with its flagship Cash Cows range. The products have a unique approach of focusing on high free cash flow yield, which is calculated by dividing a company's cash flow by its enterprise value. The fundamentals-based range of 4 ETFs has driven most of Pacer's growth in recent years, with the firm seeing its assets spike from $10 billion to $35 billion in 2 years. While Pacer is looking to expand its footprint after success in the US, its move across the pond could be viewed as much a UCITS play as a Europe one. Its president, Sean O'Hara, said although demand exists for cash cows in Europe, the market is disjointed and his team will have to think carefully about its distribution plans. Meanwhile, he noted there is vibrant demand for the UCITS structure in the US, as well as Latin American markets, including Mexico and Brazil. Elsewhere, Flow Traders has called for a same-day creation model to be brought in after warning inefficiencies in the T+1 creation process is leading to wider spreads. The market maker said investors are being hit with costs as high as 4.5 basis points due to overnight interest rates, a dynamic which favors issuers and their custodians. Issuers that receive funds for creation but do not use them to buy the underlying basket of securities can benefit from overnight rates, while authorized participants incur a cost. This is especially true for global funds, where T+1 creation is required to synchronize with secondary market transactions, leading to overnight long positions for issuers. Finally, much as the ETF structure proved a boon for gold, the lead up to the first spot Bitcoin ETF approvals in the US was a blessing for crypto assets. In 2023, flows into European crypto ETPs more than doubled year on year, with a total of $2.3 billion in new assets being collected. With $4 billion expected to flow into Bitcoin ETFs on their first day of trading, will we see providers such as BlackRock and ARK bring crypto strategies to Europe? Also, will Ethereum also succeed in getting the ETF green light from the SEC? And that's a wrap for this week. Thank you and join us again next Friday. Until then, take care.